Here we are. It's 7 a.m. and all the babies are up and happy. I need more coffee, but babies don't. I need more coffee, but the kids don't, do they? Huh? I need more coffee, but the kids don't. I'm telling you, Chewbaca loves those squeaky toys. He just loves those squeakers. He just loves those squeakers. Don't you? Where's my Chewbaca boy? Where are you? There you are. That's my good boy. That's my good boy. And I got a little dancing hyena over here. Well, get it. Well, get it. Well, get it. There you go. I knew that was going to happen. I knew that was going to happen. Right? What? Where's your toy? Where's the one that squeaks? Huh? Where'd it go? There's my good boy. There's my good boy. Say hey. Say hey, Mommy. I'll be coming to Boulder soon. I'll be coming to Boulder soon. Yeah, that's Wiz. Say good morning. Say good morning. Say I'm going to eat my breakfast now. I'm going to eat my breakfast. Ooh, big yawn for that little slop mouth. Big yawn. Big yawn. Give a kiss. Give a kiss. Oh, I'm going to lay down. What is that? What is that? Oh, I'm going to be so cute. What is that? You want to eat? Okay. Let the wrestling start.